I'm going to create some coloring pages for my niece. I want to print these pages, so I choose the flyer A4 design. In the Elements section, I type Princess Coloring Pages in the search bar, then click on Graphics to see the selection of graphics. I click on the princesses I want to add to my project pages. I recommend you add decorative elements to your pages, especially if you plan to sell them. The goal is to create a new design, even if it's slightly modified, to avoid any copywriting claim. But I'm not an expert on that issue, so I invite you to do your due diligence if you plan to sell coloring pages or books. You can also use AI to create coloring pages. I use AI Image Generator to create original coloring pages. But I recommend you try different prompts to find the right images for your project. Now I'm going to play Frankenstein and use two princesses to create one. I click on this image, and on my Mac, I use the Command-C shortcut to copy the image. I go to this other page with the face of the princess who looks like Tiana, and on my keyboard, I use the shortcut Command-V to paste the image of Cinderella. I'll put Tiana's head on Cinderella's body. The features of the face image are thinner than those of the body. To thicken the facial features, I copy the image several times and place the copies on top of each other. Next, I select all the copies of the face and click on Group so that the images form a single image. Now I click on Cinderella's body. Next, I click on Edit, then on Magic Eraser. I'll erase Cinderella's hair. Finally, I group the head and body. And that's it.